What do penguins do?
Oh, Sophie. Show mommy. Show mama.
Mommy, go show mommy.
Just show me. Show the camera.
And then I'm gonna open it.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Who gave that to you?
I don't know. Maybe.
Right.
I did.
Nicholas
Nico, what-
did.
Nico
Sophie,
gave it to you.
is this a film or a movie?
A movie.
Now can I open mine? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, Sophie didn't spend his own money to get that for you. Isn't that nice?
Can you give Nico a kiss and say thank you, Nico?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. To you.
Merry Christmas.
I got a present for you. Wow.
Gift for Nicholas. Oh, whoa.
It's a pirate DVD.
Cool. It's a pirate DVD game.
Can we play it?
Cool. Uh-huh.
Sure.
Wait.
It's a game. That
Does
you play
Nico
with-
like it, Sophie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to open it and play it.
And she almost told you what it was, right, Mimi?
Yeah, I thought you said like a Power Ranger or something.
She said pirate game.
Is Nico going to read your story to you, Soph? Is he going to read the book, do you think?
Put it in the can, yeah.
Cool.
Thank you, Sophie.
Can you give Nico a kiss?
Merry
Oh.
Christmas. Okay. I was gonna open it and play it, alright? Oh, but first I'm gonna read this too.